Hello everyone, welcome to my video where I'll be demonstrating the step-by-step manufacturing process of a thumb spica orthosis. What is thumb spica? A thumb spica is a type of splint or brace designed to immobilize the joint at the base of the thumb, providing support and comfort for various thumb injuries. So the injuries are isolated distal radius fracture, carpal bone fractures, non-displaced proximal metacarpal injuries, severe wrist sprains, immobilization for soft tissue injuries of the hand or wrist like cellulitis and penetrating trauma. Now we will take the measurements. First, I will measure the circumference of the thumb below the interphalangeal joint and add 2 cm to it. Now I will measure the thenar web space. It refers to the anatomical area between the thumb and the index finger. Now I will measure the full circumference of the hand and subtract half from it. After that, I will measure the thenar eminence. And lastly, the hypothenar eminence. With this, all of our measurements will be done. Now I will demonstrate how the pattern for the thumb spica is drawn. To begin the drawing, first draw a straight horizontal line on the paper according to the first measurement. Then identify the midpoint of this line. From this midpoint, draw a vertical line representing the web space measurement. At the end of that line, extend the outline according to the length of the thenar eminence. Then draw a horizontal line using the half circumference of the hand measurement, and then draw the hypothenar eminence on the end of that line and subtract 1 cm from it. Now cut the paper and mark it on the Orfit paper with the shape. Then cut with the jigsaw and get the intended shape of the Orfit. Now put the Orfit piece in the pan with hot water. About 100 degrees Celsius should be the temperature. After the material is ready, like it's getting clearer, take out the material and put it on the cloth. Now wrap it on the hand and make sure to cover the eminences and the web space. Press it well so that it encloses all the part. Now cut at the end of the Orfit. We will put a strap on that part. After making sure it is enclosing the hand well, we will let it be so that it can cool down. Now turn off the induction and we are here with our device.